Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a freezer drawer support in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and potentially a 1/4-inch nut driver. To replace the drawer support on the upper freezer drawer, use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the left slide rail tab away from the liner, enough to release the drawer stop. Do the same to release the right drawer stop. With the stops out, you can fully remove the upper drawer. Now, using the T20 Torx bit, unthread the 4 screws securing the old drawer support. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the old support aside. To install the new freezer drawer support, align it in the groove on the bottom of the drawer and thread the 4 screws to secure. If you need to replace the support on the lower freezer drawer, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen the 2 screws securing the drawer front. Lift the drawer front off the drawer glides and set it aside. Now lift the lower drawer up and squeeze the sides in to release it from the glides. You can now replace the drawer support in the same way as the upper freezer drawer support. With the new support installed, reinstall the drawer by aligning it on the glides, making sure the rear hooks are secured under the glides. Then set the drawer in place. Reposition the drawer front on the glides and tighten the screws. Reinstall the upper freezer drawer by aligning the rear rollers on the track and the front rollers on the lower drawer. Then push the drawer in. Snap both drawer stops into place to secure.